My name's John Rossiter. I work at Imperial College and I've worked on, for most of my research career, I've worked on glucosinolates, which are compounds that are present in cruciferous plants. My talk was almost an overview of the subject, that mostly used my own data from the past 30 years. So it includes work that I've done with glucosinolates in plants and in insects, and more recently microbes in the human gut and microbes in soil. Well, biofumigation is of interest because glucosinolates, when they get broken down by proteins, enzymes in the plant, they produce these compounds called isothiocyanates. So I'm interested in the mechanisms of how this process occurs and what the constraints are for such systems. And more recently we've been working with microbial systems that can break down glucosinolates in the human gut and can give beneficial compounds that can prevent things like cancers. And in the soil, also we work on microbes that can break down glucosinolates. So we're interested to know, particularly in soil, how microbes impact on the process of biofumigation. I think the future bodes quite well for biofumigation, but I think clearly that much more detailed analysis needs to take place of what's actually going on, particularly in the soil. So we know very little really about how microbial populations can impact on biofumigation processes. So I would see that as an area that needs to be targeted, particularly by the research councils, to find out exactly what is going on in the soil.